Greetings to everyone. International Certificate Course. World's first industry announced this international certificate course particularly for biomedical engineers. We are very proud to announce this international certificate course for biomedical engineers on behalf of Atheenapandian Private Limited. I am welcoming you all the biomedical engineers, experts, industrialists, academicians to gain more amount of knowledge through this international certificate course. It is actually the course that beyond the limits, that is whatever the current scenario, what is actually happen in the current market, we are going to discuss in that particular certificate course. Initially, we are introduced five different certificate courses, five worthful certificate course. The first is everyone is trying to place in the medical regulatory. So for that, certificate course on medical regulatory. Then nowadays AI is booming in all over the sector. So for that, AI in biomedicine. That is the next important certificate course. And then we have troubleshooting of medical equipment, that every biomedical engineer should learn about this troubleshooting skill. Through this certification, you can gain the knowledge on biomedical equipments. And then biomedical technician. Those who are not able to study engineering, those who are not able to spend financially, they are not fit to study more number of degree related academic subjects. For that people, once you have a knowledge in electronics, you can gain the knowledge through this biomedical technician course. You can able to be placed in a good industry. Okay, and then finally, last but not least, we have robots are playing a vital role in the healthcare sector. So it is mandatory for all the biomedical engineers should learn about medical robots. So these are the five most important certificate courses, that is international certificate courses we are introducing today. So you can able to be enroll this registration and you can able to gain more amount of knowledge. Each and every course is 30 hours of duration. From Monday to Friday, the timing is from 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time to 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Monday to Friday, if this particular course will be conducted. If in case already we have massive open online course on the same timing. So if in case if you are interested in this both the courses, then we can able to customize or we can able to be adjusting the time particularly for those who are interested to register 2 or more certificate courses. This is what actually we are launching today. You can able to use this and there is a registration link in the description. Gain the knowledge by register it. Your class commenced on 4th November and the registration closed once the 30 seats are getting filled. Per course, 30 members are also all only allowed because 30 per course is comfortable for us to communicate. This is based on online and also offline. You can able to use it, get a certificate. Thank you very much.